Yeah. Sometimes I wonder, man, was it just to be different? Got me in the mood just to let y'all know how it was for me, man. I was never a follower though. Which is my situation. Feel me? But fuck you. Give me back my life, then I give you back my pain. You give me back my pride, then I give you back the shame. See, all I felt is rain as I walk through the flame. I've been waiting for a flip, but ain't a damn thing changed. Stress, headaches, migraines, they all the same. They all make a nigga straight think out of range. Been put through more shit than you cowards can deserve. I know I fell off, don't think I deserve. The place don't stock like some meat reserve. Throw salt on my game, that was more than a herb. Seem like every day I was put to the end. You can't trust a chick, not even a close friend. Yes, I slip past things that could put me through my rest. At the end of the day, you can say I'm blessed. Rest in peace for my bros that I lost in the progress. Life goes on, Pac said it's the best. Was it just to be different? 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 They say you can't judge a book by its cover, but after the first chapter you run for that cover. Time spent with a soul tend to show its true color. That's why I keep friends, only roll with my brothers. And if I call you bro, best believe you my bro. Done dealt with hard times, ain't nothing left to show. But listen real quick, I get deep with this shit. How you feel if all your niggas was gone and dead and missed, and you can't come back from a spark of a gun? That's why I stay focused, there's less time for fun. So the shit that I done did, no I never regret. But the past is creeping up and I'm trying to forget. This picture little old me becoming a star. Twinkle, twinkle on me, huh? Twinkle, twinkle on me. Regardless of what you say, I'm a star indeed, huh? Was it just to be different? 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 Just to be different? Was it just to be different, man? So that's my situation. You tell me, was it just to be different? But I tell you this, I'm doing me. Fat Boy Fresh, man. Live like stars. You already should know that. Feel me? Fuck you.